So here's a quick video on some of the things that Subaru has done to make their new navigation system much more user-friendly and quicker to use, actually. Over here on the left-hand side of the screen, you're going to see a map button. When you press it, it brings up your map. What we're going to do now is we're going to enter a destination, and we're going to do it all in one shot. So when you hit menu and search for destination, I'm going to enter a random address. Say we want to go to 123 Main Street in Saco, Maine. I type it in the same way I'd write it on a piece of paper. And suggestion will pop up at the top. Looks like we've got ours right here. And it calculates the route for you.
Proceed to highlighted route.
And now we're going to cancel the route. And I'm going to show you how to do the same exact thing by voice command. Just like in the older vehicles, you start it by hitting the voice command button. But instead of having to say navigation and then wait for the voice recognition system to transition into the navigation section, all you have to do is hit the button and say navigate to, followed by where you want to go. So let's do the same address. Navigate to 123 Main Street, Saco, Maine.
123 Main Street, Saco, Maine. Do you want to start navigation?
Yes.
Proceed to highlighted route.
And there we go. Now, let's say we wanted to save that address. I don't know what that address is, by the way. We're going to go into menu, and then we're going to go, so menu right here, previous address. And now we're going to go down to favorite. This is where we set home or work address. So say it's a business, and let's say I work there. So I'm going to set work. The first thing that's going to pop up is the most recent couple of destinations. We've only entered one because it's a brand new car, and it's the one that we've picked. So this is, if it wasn't there, you just type in the address of what favorite you're saving. So now we've saved work as 123 Main Street, Saco, Maine.